broads in Atlanta. Just to lean the family. Credit card.
Hey, master boys and master girls, welcome once again to your channel Techno Pro Master. So in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram Music is not available in your region. So this is something that appear sometimes on Instagram. The first thing that we have to do to solve this problem is go to App Store, and we will look this this app. The name is Story Beat. So after this, you will look in App Store. You will download this app. So this is the only solution that I found to this topic that can happen to few of you. So this is telling that want to send you notification. I will say not allowed. You can choose what you want. And as you know, iPhone have this about you just say you take which one you like. This is not about the video, and over here is like asking permission to your photos or to some photos that you want. I will press all photos, and okay, this is really nice. We are here, we have the app. So what we have to do? What we have to do is go to this button that say like plus here. We will press this, and we will press here where say add one photo or video. Actually say add photo or video, picture or video. What we will do is we will press this and we will choose the photo or video that we want. In this way we will choose one picture, because we will put in our Instagram history, because that's mean that in our Instagram history don't appear the music. So over here we can choose if this history will, how long will be this history, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. So we will add the picture. Here we go. We add the picture that we will use in this example. Now what we will do is go to music. We will press music and we will add the song that we want. As you can see here, there are the music that is like in trending, top 100 music in trending. So what I will do is like put one music. For example, this is the third one. I will add, pressing this red button, and I will add this music to my history. But I will stop the music immediately because I don't want that the copyright goes to my video. So I will press and I will stop the music immediately. So I stop the music, and here we go. Already we have a music in our history. So you can press here where say the name of the music, like Instagram. You can touch to change. When you touch, will appear two things. One say hide and the another say style. We will press style and we will press till we have which one we want. We can move this where we want. We can put in the top. For me, here will be really nice. And when we have this that we want, that we put the music, that we put our photo, we will to press this red button that is here button. And here is telling that if you don't want this history with mark, you can pay, but it's okay. For us, it's okay. We will go to sport and see an ad. So after we So this app, we will have our history with Mark, and we will just have to press where we have to share this. Pero I don't want like to share in like, if you want you can do it directly. Pero I will save to my phone because like this I can share in another places too that don't appear here. So I will save in my phone, and here say the history, the video was poured successfully. So now what we have to do is go to our Instagram, and when we are in our Instagram, what we will do is to add one history. We will press and we will add the music that we want. I mean the history, this history that we make, we will add. We will add this one, and I will go to share. I will say done, and now the magic is coming because now we will have a music in our history totally free in one way, really easy. Now we have to wait to see what will happen. So remember to subscribe to my channel if this video help you, because this is the only way that you can show me that this video help you. So let's to see. And as you can see, now we have music in our history. This is really nice actually. So as you can see, this is working. I really hope that you subscribe to my channel, that you give a really big like, and see you in the next. Bye.